Ay, okay lang. Ganun po talaga pag hot. Ayun!
Whoa, looking at my.
May ganyan na pala sa Bridgerton ngayon.
Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa, swing inside the.
Sino ang makakatambal niya or makaka-love team niya?
Daniel Padilla. Daniel Padilla po.
Bakit?
Doon na tayo sa Pogi.
Jo, ano? Ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na?
Hello everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Rancho Clubhouse, Marikina City for the 18th birthday celebration of Sabela Chavez. And while waiting for the start of our program, tatanungin muna natin ang guest natin kung sino ba ang nababagay na ka-love team ni Sabela. Let's go! Okay, so kung si Sabela ay gaganap na isang artista, sino ang makakatambal niya dapat na ka-love team niya?
Rafa Salva po.
Oh, bakit?
First of all, si Rafa is also a approachable guy po. And nakikita po sila lagi na best friends po sila and madalas po sila mag-approach to each other.
Ano po, kaibigan namin si J. Vince.
J. Vince. Oh, bakit si J. Vince?
Medyo close po sila na halos siya po yung naging dahilan namin na ba't namin naging ka-close din si Isabella these years.
James Reid.
Oh, James Reid. Bakit?
Well, mestizo couple.
Mestizo. Okay, ikaw.
Wala po alam sa mga...
Wala ko masyado kilala. So, agree ka doon sa James Reid. Okay.
Yung kamukha ko, si Nasha Agawas.
Ooh, Nash Aguas.
Paano masabi?
Nakasal na. Alam ko kasal na data eh. International.
National. Siguro si Tom Holland.
Tom Holland.
Sa isip.
Okay. Zendaya. Ikaw.
Feel ko po, bagay kasi sa Bella pag princess yung dating sa kanya. So I feel like, ano ba to? Local, wala akong maisip sa local. Sa international, wala na maisip.
Ala ka.
Bawal po siya mag-boyfriend, mag-asawa.
Okay,
Feel ko
bawal.
po self-love na lang.
Self-love na lang. So ano siya? Para siyang heroine sa isang palabas.
Hindi niya kailangan ng
Hindi niya
partner.
kailangan ng lalaki para maging... Ayun, parang... Para maging independent? No, like you feel love.
talaga ba?
Yeah.
Kayo ladies, meron kayo ibang sagot?
Si Aldab po.
So si Alden ang makaka-partner niya. Ikaw ma'am, wala.
Siguro international si Louis Partridge.
Louis,
Partridge.
saang palabas yun?
Sa, Enola Holmes.
Okay. Sa Enola Holmes. Okay.
Si James Reid po.
James Reid. Bakit?
Feeling ko po magko-connect sila kapag silang dalawa yung mag-team. Yeah.
Ala Nadine Lustre ba ang beauty ni Isabela?
Opo.
O mas pa?
Mas pa.
Mas pa. Kayo naman.
Wala po may isa.
Ano ba isa?
Wala akong maisip.
So agree kayo si James Reid.
Daniel Padilla po.
Bakit?
Doon na tayo sa Pogi.
Pogi. Kayo?
James Reid.
James Reid, okay.
John Lloyd Cruz.
John. So eto medyo pwede pa sa teenager. Yun sa'yo, parang patatay na yun.
Hindi po kasi, gwapo po kasi siya.
Guwapo kasi. And,
Si Vice ganda na lang.
vice ganda.
Bag mo, miss.
Maraming salamat. Utang na loob ko sa'yo buhay ko.
Sa comedy pala ito, comedy. Bakit?
Wala lang po.
Para maiba yung sagot sa kanila, no?
Daniel Padilla.
Daniel Padilla. Parang yung get-up po din, may pagkapad Daniel Padilla eh.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat.
Ikaw, sir.
Joshua Garcia.
Joshua Garcia, bakit?
Parehas po gwapo tsaka maganda po.
Guwapo't maganda. Ikaw?
Siyempre, pogi po yun. Bagay po.
Bagay. So mga pogi, bagay kay Isabela. Okay. Ipa-flash naming emojis are clues for favorite movies or series ni Isabela. Okay, let's start with first one.
Yung Calling
Castle.
Howl's Moving Castle is wrong.
Little Prince.
The Little Prince is correct.
Yeah, obvious na. Little Prince po.
The Little Prince, correct?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast is... Bakit sa tingin mo Beauty and the Beast? Yung Rose. Beauty and the Beast is... Wrong.
The Little Prince.
The Little Prince. Okay, The Little Prince is correct. Yan. Okay, choices.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
sana all.
Peter Pan. Ayun, ano yung sagot mo?
The Little Prince.
Bakit nasabi mong The Little Prince?
May ano po, may crown po dun eh.
Di totoo yan.
The Little Prince is correct. Peter Pan or The Little Prince?
The Little Prince.
The Little Prince is correct. Next one.
Coraline.
Coraline is correct. So animated din to.
Coraline.
Coraline is correct. Okay, next.
Oh, yes.
Coraline.
Coraline is correct.
That's Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland. Do you agree, girls? Alice in Wonderland.
Coraline.
Coraline. Sige. Dahil apat kayo, sino ang susundin ninyo? Coraline or si?
Caroline.
Coraline. Coraline is correct. Yeah.
Caroline.
Karen or Coraline is correct. Yeah. So, pirated yun na panood mo ng bata. Okay, next.
Coraline.
Coraline is correct.
High School Musical.
High School Musical. Ikaw?
Siyempre, yun yun.
High School Musical is wrong. Choices. Coco or The Book of Life.
Coco.
Coco is wrong. Title is The Book of Life.
Ayan, di po ka pamilyar.
Aeon. Coco. Naisip ko ano yun.
Coco is wrong. The correct answer is The Book of Life. Ayan. Next one.
Coco.
Bakit sa tingin mo Coco?
It could either be Coco or Book of Life because of the skull music and like the
Kasi
flower.
halos pare-pare sila ng ng team, no? Okay, Coco is
Because of the yellow flower.
because of the yellow flower. Okay, Coco is wrong. Book of Life.
Coco.
Coco, bakit? Anong meron dyan sa na nagito?
Skull. Tas yung guitar.
Yung skull at yung guitar. Okay. Coco is wrong.
The Book of Life.
The Book of Life is correct. Yeah. Okay, next.
Coco.
Coco is wrong. Okay, next one.
Wicked. Harry Potter.
Wicked, Harry Potter.
Ano yun?
Tama.
Bakit sa tingin mo Harry Potter?
The Witch.
Because of the witch.
Castle.
The castle, Hogwarts, no? Bakit Wicked?
Wala na, akala ko lang because of Wicked Part 2 or the Castle of
Because of
Elphaba.
the witch. Harry Potter or Wicked, wala dun sa sinabi niyo. The correct answer is House Moving Castle. Ghibli.
House Moving Castle.
House Moving Castle is correct. I think Ghibli na ata yan, tama.
House Moving Castle.
House Moving Castle is correct. Galing Parang rin ito rin yung mga napanood yun na din. Okay.
Moving castle.
House Moving Castle. Bakit sa tingin mo?
Kasi po may castle po tapos may parang naglalakad po.
Okay. So, Moving Castle. House Moving Castle is correct. Moana.
Yun hula mo? Okay.
Moana is wrong. So, may wave. Ano pa yung nakikita ninyo? Mami ka, ano nakikita mo pa? May
Ano yun? Ba't may ramen?
ramen.
Parang Japanese.
Japanese.
Ponyo.
Ponyo is correct. Next one.
Ariel.
Ariel. So, anong movie yun?
Sa parang Disney po. Parang Disney.
Sa Disney. So, The Little Mermaid. Ponyo. Okay, next one.
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid. Do you agree, ladies?
May noodles kasi.
Mermaid dyan.
Ponyo.
Ponyo. Ikaw.
Pinadali na nga ni Kuya para sa akin.
Ponyo is correct. Okay.
Happy birthday, Isabella. I just want you to fulfill the life that you always wanted.
Thank you for being a good friend to all of us, Sab. And sana maging classmates tayo sa UERM Nursing.
Happy birthday, Isabella. Sana mainis pa kita and sana you focus on your study.
Happy 18th, Sab. Thank you for the unexpected friendship. And I hope you enjoy your day.
Sana po mabuhay po siya ng mas mahaba. Tsaka stay pretty po.
Stay pretty.
Well, sana po ikaw ay magsaya po ngayon araw na to. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Isabella. Sana i-treat ka ng adulthood ng maayos and magkaroon ka ng happiness.
Happy birthday, Isabella. And sana gumanda yung buhay mo in a way na may mamimit kang new friends except us. Siyempre, wag mo kaming kakalimutan. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Isabella. Good luck lang on your future endeavors, especially during your college life. I hope you have so many new experiences and those be wonderful experiences as well.
Happy birthday, Isabella. I hope future does you good. We love you.
Happy birthday, and alam kong di na tayong close ngayon, pero like, masaya kami na masaya.
And happy birthday, Sab. Tapos sana magtuloy pa rin na friends tayo.
Ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkita, and I really missed you, and I hope the best for you, and again, happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy mo tong day mo since it's your special day.
Happy birthday, Isabella. Ngayon lang rin kita nakausap in so many days, and sorry hindi ko na slay ang mga emoji game na to, pero I wish you so much tonight and I hope you enjoy.
So, Isabella, happy birthday. Alam ko may nangyari sa atin. No, because I will say it in the letter later. Stay tuned. I love you. Hi, Isabella. I know na hindi masyado tayo nag-usap, pero I've always appreciated you dun sa friend group natin when we were in grade 9 and grade 10. Even our little simple moments where we would hang out together, they already meant a lot to me. And I really appreciate you inviting me to this event. I hope you have a wonderful, special day tonight. I love you!
Happy birthday. Sana yung adult life mo is well and good, and we wish you a successful career in dermatology.
Happy birthday, Isabella!
Happy birthday, Isabella.
Happy birthday, Isabella!
Happy birthday, Isabella!
Happy birthday, Isabella!
Happy birthday, Isabella!